know about ketones and ketosis. These are my pure therapeutic ketones. They put your body in ketosis in 60 minutes or less. If you're looking for better mood, sleep, energy, muscle preservation, fat loss, and overall better, you need to try these. This is my before and after. It's quick, it's easy. I'm down about 15 pounds in a couple months. All you do is shake, drink, bam, add it to water, and it's easy peasy. Again, my before and afters. This is perfect for anyone and everyone, even safe for children. I would suggest, if you're looking for better fat loss, muscle preservation, sleep, energy, mood, focus, hit the link in the bio. You need these. Get your body in ketosis. If you're keto, not doing keto, this is for you. Like I said, drink, shake, bam. You just add it to water and that's it. It's a drink, not a diet.